If you're looking into FirstMate AI, you've probably heard it's one of the most exciting newly released AI tools. But with all the hype around it, is it actually worth your time? In this FirstMate AI review, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know, and by the end, you'll have a clear picture of whether this software lives up to the buzz. First, let's talk about what FirstMate AI actually does. It's an all-in-one AI assistant designed to streamline workflows, automate tasks, and enhance productivity for digital marketers, entrepreneurs, and business owners alike. Whether you're running ads, creating content, or managing your communications, this software promises to help you manage it all. But does it really deliver? One of the biggest selling points of FirstMate AI is its ease of use. Right out of the box, you can start seeing results quickly. Its intuitive interface makes it simple for even the least tech-savvy users to jump in and start optimizing their work. Plus, the software integrates seamlessly with other tools, so you don't have to worry about shifting between different platforms. Another strong feature is its advanced automation capabilities. With FirstMate AI, you can automate tasks like email marketing, social media posting, and customer support. The software even provides AI-driven content suggestions, meaning you won't need to spend hours brainstorming blog post ideas or social media captions. This is a game changer for anyone looking to save time and scale their business effortlessly. One thing that sets FirstMate AI apart from other tools is its AI-driven analytics. The platform not only helps you complete tasks, but also offers insights into how your marketing campaigns are performing. This means you get a deeper understanding of what's working and what isn't, allowing you to adjust your strategy on the fly. If you're a marketer, this feature alone could significantly improve your ROI. But it's not just about marketing. FirstMate AI is also a great tool for content creators. Whether you're making YouTube videos or writing blog posts, FirstMate helps optimize your workflow. It can generate ideas, suggest edits, and even analyze your existing content for SEO improvements. It's an AI assistant that's built to make content creation faster and more efficient. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Is FirstMate AI just another overhyped software, or does it actually live up to the expectations? From my experience, it delivers on its promises, especially when it comes to saving time and increasing productivity. Its AI-powered automation, content optimization, and analytics are top-notch. And if you're looking for a tool that consolidates your tasks into one easy-to-use platform, FirstMate is worth considering. The best part? You can try FirstMate AI completely free right now by clicking the first link in the description. It's always great to try before you commit, especially with something as powerful as this. To wrap things up, if you're tired of jumping between multiple platforms to get your work done, FirstMate AI could be the solution you've been looking for. With its user-friendly interface, powerful automation features, and AI-driven insights, it's definitely worth a closer look. Plus, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've put together a list of my top recommended AI softwares, and you can try them for free by checking the description below. Don't miss out on this. Check out FirstMate AI today and see for yourself how it can transform your workflow.